You know what? Sometimes I'm just fucking tired of people saying this is the best exercise for this or you're doing fucking wrong. Apparently on YouTube, everyone is just doing shit wrong these days. So this is not the best exercise for stimulating your bicep, but it is a constant stimulation you have on your bicep. So that's why it's one of my favorite movements. Also, because you're seated in this situation, you're actually taking your movement, your kipping, whatever the fuck it might be, you're taking that out of the overall equation. So you only have one movement, almost one movement, and that is pulling whatever the fuck you're pulling. So I have a straight bar right here, always. Well, if you can't supinate like this and pull, well, do that. It'll be better for your bicep in the long run, some people say. But this is what is just hard as fuck. Easy as that. But the thing here is this constant load in every piece of this rep, this set, this exercise. This constant load on the bicep. Just fucking growing. It's being stimulated. And it can't be done better than this, honestly. So that is one thing. You're not gonna grow much up here, but you're growing a lot down here because the muscle is stretched. And the more you stretch the muscle and put a load on without popping the fucking muscle, the more it will break down. And later, when you sleep, your 8 hours or whatever the fuck you need in order to be well rested, that's where you grow. So, let me take this off. Sometimes it gives a better overall picture. And also, I've been cutting lately, so I need to show off my gains. Apparently, my wife isn't impressed, so, well, she is. That's just bullshit I'm telling myself, but we're almost not fat anymore, but let's do it again. Take up the straight bar. There you go. See the movement? My shoulders are moving, my elbows are locked, and my bicep is about to pop. Constant stimulation. This is one of my favorite exercises. When you're done with the weight, you're done. Don't force it up, don't kip, don't cheat. Do whatever you can. If the load's too high, we'll lower it. No one's watching. And even if someone is, who gives a shit? They're not gonna see them again. So use your brain. Stimulate that muscle and make sure you grow. Otherwise, what the fuck are you doing here? It's just a waste of time, right? All right. The most important part of this exercise is literally re-rack all your equipment. Apparently, that's also a dying breed. Yeah, I'll see you soon, all right?